I'm going to review the best car speaker in the market for this year. All over this video, our focus will be on finding the best of the best product. And from a list of the best products available in the current market, we have picked these products as the most spectacular. We are certain you won't be disappointed after watching this video. In selecting these products, there are various factors which we should take into consideration. As a result of the hard work and time invested in the selection of these products, we can assure you of a stress-free process whenever you decide to make a purchase of your desired product. These include reviews from our customers like you on various sites, performance, and specifications of each product. We have gone an extra mile to ensure you don't get confused when making your purchase. To get other information on each product, the video description includes embedded links which you can open. Please don't forget to like and share this video. You can also subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications when we post a new video in the future. At number 1, Rockforge Fosgate R165X3 Prime Coaxial Speakers. This is a new generation powerful speaker that comes with high-pass crossovers, mounting hardware and grills. It offers you high-definition sound quality for a good price. They come equipped with many new features, like a steel basket that is stamped, tweeter crossover, polypropylene cones, and silk pole. There is a rubber surround feature too. It comes with a sensitivity of 91 decibels, mounting depth of 2.15 inches, and a frequency response of between 52 Hz and 20 kHz. It is completely compact and designed to last. At number 2, JBL GT0939 Premium 6x9 inches Coaxial Speaker. If you're looking for a larger-than-life speaker that lets air move more easily and makes more bass, then go for this gadget. In addition to coming with a tweeter feature that allows heat to be greatly dissipated, the device also has low impedance and high-quality components that help to create the highs and lows. It is designed to save power and comes with controls that allow you to customize your stereo and make up for defects. At number 3, Pioneer TS-A167R 3-way coaxial car speakers. For a sound system that combines lightness and sensitivity, this speaker promises great return on money's worth. It is durable and heat-resistant, allowing heat to be easily dissipated, thus bringing you the right ambience for your sounds. In addition, there are features that have been added to improve the general sound responsiveness and production. It is completely lightweight and water-resistant. Thanks for watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section. And hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest video in the future.